one and all the women viewership is going to go up. Greg, what's your take on it?
Well, my take is I don't care. So I got other things to worry about. Otherwise, we got, as you look at satellite right now, all the moisture out to the west. They're getting a lot of monsoon moisture. You probably saw the haboo that happened near Phoenix, up to Nevada too. That's where all the action is going further north. And actually, in northern Canada, they've got warmer temperatures than what we've had too, because we got this northwest flow. And here comes that cold front I mentioned that'll be impacting our weather here, along with a little bit of disturbance to the west. Combined, we'll have some showers come through probably more Wednesday night and then departing here early Thursday morning. Overall, towards about noon, you're going to see that disturbance out west bring a little bit of shower activity, maybe some light rain further to northeast, basically west of the river. Now, there's a lot of question marks if this is actually going to hit the ground because it is fairly dry, but the chances are there for northeast Iowa, maybe up to I-90 through the afternoon hour. Some of this might spread towards La Crosse and westward towards the afternoon, scattered in nature, very light rainfall, if any. And to the north, keep an eye, that's where a cold front will be digging south into northern Wisconsin. By the time we get to the evening hour, right there, you can start seeing some of that activity. So for your evening hour activities, there will be some showers out there, but scattered in nature and not expecting any heavy activity quite yet. Then towards about 8 to 9, here you start seeing that line or kind of a broken line form along the cold front with more activity probably northeast of the area. That'll be pushing south, and some activity will be pushing east too along I-90. Once again, there's a little weak boundary right there. So overall, that's what we're looking at throughout the night. You can see this push through the area. So clear maybe around midnight to about 2 to 3. That's the best shot to see some light rain or a thunderstorm. La Crosse is just going to be scattered all night, but a lot of the periods will be dry. Eventually, this falls apart as it gets closer to 3 to 4 a.m., and we might see a little bit of activity for the morning commute further south and east, but I think most areas remain dry. But do look at some of this. That looks to be low clouds or maybe even some patchy fog once again developing for Thursday morning in some areas. We'll have to keep an eye on that. Once that gets past, we'll probably see the more sunshine go in the afternoon, but we could see a fog problem developing for Thursday morning's commute. Otherwise, for temperatures for tomorrow, a tad warmer for most areas as we go through Thursday. A little bit similar temperatures further south because the effects of that cold front really don't come through until Friday. Further north you go, you're going to see more of the impacts of the temperatures come Thursday, and you can note the temperatures decrease there. Then as we go into Friday, that's when you'll start seeing the temperature difference area wide. A little bit cooler going into Friday morning. Some areas once again could get into the upper 30s for northern areas. And then Friday, cooler, upper 60s, low 70s, so above average, but it should stay dry right now as we look for the forecast. And Saturday, pretty nice conditions once again. You can see out west a little bit more milder, getting close to 80 there in Fargo. So we are going to see a gradual warm up through the weekend as we go all the way through Labor Day. I think we'll get more into the mid to upper 70s. Maybe by Tuesday we might get close to 80, but it should be nice right now for the Labor Day holiday. Precipitation chances stay well to the west. Eventually we do have a cold front, another one, a stronger one coming through by next Tuesday night and Wednesday, and that could usher in kind of temperatures like we saw this past weekend once again with another cooler air mass coming down from Canada too. So overall very pleasant conditions, mostly dry minus the activity we'll have tomorrow night. And so far, Labor Day looks really nice.
All right, right up my alley for sure.
Exactly. You got Friday night football and everything else, all the football through this weekend too looks
All
good.
looking good.
A bunch of happy campers in the sports department for sure.